In the beginning, there is silence. An empty space, vast as a breath held in the chest. This is an idea given form. The terrazzo floor and the crystal ceiling speak the same language, a play of lines, mirrors, and rhythms. A dialogue between earth and sky, caught in architecture. Here, light is no accessory. It is the spine of this place. Above, 10,000 crystals hang in perfect order. Not just lights, but a sky of glass, each one catching and releasing the glow. Together they turn silence into music. A constellation that weighs 15 tons, yet seems to float like rain frozen in time. At the center, someone sketches. Not to claim the space, but to listen to it. A quiet gesture within a vast realm. When silence returns, the glow remains. A quiet that does not weigh but invites. Its creator shaped it with care, letting balance, light, and rhythm telling the story. A hall that carries silence like a promise. A place where light writes its own story, and every story that enters here will shine within it.